Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's my man, that's Tita. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new,
thanks for coming back.
Thanks for coming back. Y'all, we're at Marshall's today. We're gonna check it out, see what they have. If you wanna go to the page and see like the short form videos, we do put some shorts up there. If you don't wanna watch the whole video and you just wanna check out some shorts, you can go check that out. And then we also have like Target, TJ Maxx, Dollar Tree. I don't know. We have some stuff though, so check that out. But let's see what they have here. Y'all, for $24.99, you can get this fanny pack here. And then we have like some fuzzy looking things. $7 for this one. And I think this one is Steve Madden and that's $10. Yeah, we have a Patricia Nash clutch for $40. This might not be your thing, but the quality of Patricia Nash is amazing. I love it. We have this Michael Kors bag here. She's cute. This is going to be $100 though. We have a little one here for $130, and then obviously this is Patricia Nash quality. It's real leather. It is amazing. Oh wow, that would be the one that he picks. This is a cute little Steve Madden tote here for $40. We have this cute backpack for $34. This bright orange tote here for $40. Look how cute this is. This is $16. Oh y'all, look at the cute little Juicy Couture display. This brings back memories, doesn't it? $34 for this, $30 for that. Oh, we've got a tote here. Tote's gonna be $40. That backpack's $34. Oh, look how cute this is. These are so stinking cute. $35. I want this. I want this. Oh, look at this little tote here, $30. We've got these little Michael Kors bags here for $80. $150 for that one. We have this that looks like a laptop bag or something for $50. This is nice, like a little briefcase work bag. Love this one. $80 for this cute little backpack. Oh wow, Mimi, I wanted to show y'all that one. That's nice, buddy. That's really nice. Tita wants to show you that one. Y'all, these makeup bags get me every single time. Look at this one. Excuse me, buddy. This is the Crumb Shop times Hello Kitty. How cute is this? And it's on clearance for $13. And we also have this cute little mini one here. I mean, obviously it's not gonna hold a lot if you're someone like me, but $15, and that's cute. This is pretty, and it's giving me Bridgerton vibes. I have some simple black ones, which I kind of feel like I might lean more towards. Hello, Harry Potter fans. I wanna watch Harry Potter. I've never watched it. $24 for this, $24.99, so $25. And then Thor, which we were just discussing last night, that we were gonna watch the Marvel movies that have Thor in it so we would know more about him. This is going to be $25. Yeah, because we watched Guardians of the Galaxy and Thor is kind of in it, but not really, so we wanted to learn more about Thor. But there's a little backpack. Y'all, look at this mirror. This is $25. How cute is that? And then behind this kit right here, we have some more Vanity Impressions that I think we saw last time. And this is on clearance for $32. Y'all, look at this one. So we have the Hello Kitty one at home, but they have this one for $15, and it's a little clamshell. And then we have Barbie, but I don't think, oh, it is Vanity Impressions. Oh, they have a few Barbie ones. And then we also have this. It's a little mini touch for $30. And then we have a bigger one up here. Let me see if I can grab it. So $40 for this one. Okay, y'all, we've made it to the makeup, and y'all know I love me some Real Techniques. This is gonna be $6.99. We have this set here. I need one of these brush things for my lashes. This is going to be also $6.99. We have some Eco Tools, and I do like Eco Tools also. Eco Tools, $2.99. And then we have this set back here from Real Techniques, which I love. More Eco Tools. I have a few brushes from this brand, and I do like it. $6.99 for that. And then we have some Vanity Impression brushes, which I don't know that I knew they made brushes. $16 for this. And then some Crumb Shop here. These are going to be $12, $12.99. Oh, we have more Hello Kitty back here also in black. And then we have this brush here. This is going to be $3.99. Look what he found, some Pop-Tarts. Oh wow, they got a lot of them, y'all. Gotta love when I bring the kids with me, right? Yeah, I was just walking by because we're doing makeup now, but I found this Hello Kitty bag that you can pull because it has wheels down there. It's going to be $60. Y'all don't kill me over this because I honestly did not love these, but they're $4. They're here if you want them. Let's see what else we can find. I want me a good plumping gloss. I was thinking about going with, what is it, Too Faced. Let's see, we have a Stila set here for $19. We've got some Morphe quad goals for $6. Got some more Morphe. I like these shades, y'all. I am loving this. $8. But I have so much, and like I said, we are moving. Okay, the movers will be here actually next week. Oh, we have this palette in different shades also. Last time we moved, I packed everything myself, all my makeup. This time, I'm just so over it that I'm definitely not doing that. Okay, $17 for this. That's gorgeous. I haven't really bought makeup in like such a long time because I don't really wear it that often. We have this one, $17 also. Oh, we're back to that Cara Beauty. $8. We have a few Cara Beauties here. I think, are these also Cara? I don't know. I don't think so. Are they, y'all? This is $7.99. This is Cara Beauty, right? Yeah. Pardon my Frenchie. Another one here, $7.99.
It looks like it's moving to me.
Oh, yeah. Sure does. Y'all, I don't know why I bring the kids with me, yo. Look at this I gotta sneak to say stuff. Look at this Cinderella palette here. $7.99, but it is broken. And they have that. We saw that Winnie the Pooh before.
Oh,
we have a mini here for $8.
Oh, another Winnie the Pooh.
Oh, yeah. Hello. I am hoping that when we move, we'll be around some really good Targets and TJ Maxx's and all of that. $14.99 for this. Translucent pure setting spray. What is this? This is not lipstick. It is a mist. It's a setting mist. $5 for that. Yeah, there is a lot of cool stuff, buddy. Let's check out the skincare stuff, y'all. Skin Insta Drip. Oh, it's a hydrating serum for $6. Y'all, they done came through with the damn Obagi. I can't believe that. How much is this? It's only $17. This is like, is this the stuff that they sell in the doctor's office? Because this is freaking expensive. My mom uses it. Okay, yes, buddy, that is amazing, son. We have this, and I have some of this brand at home. I can't say I love it or I dislike it. $6.99. I don't know my feelings on this. What do y'all think? We have some Murad sets. I love me some Murad, y'all. This is going to be $12.99. Got my mini me over there, my twin dancing. We have another one. So this is brightening trial kit, and this is a hydrating trial kit. And then exclamation. I don't know what this is, but I feel like it's giving me 90s vibes, and I don't know why. $14.99. We have some Bliss Pore Purifying Stick. $8. And then Murad. Y'all, I just love some Murad, y'all. $25. Good. Okay, y'all, we got some Peter here. Water Drench Hydronic Micro Bubbling Cloud Mask. $16.99. We also have some Murad. Oh, we saw this last time because I remember saying, oh, I have this. Oh, I have this too. Maybe I got this whole set. I don't know. And, oh, it is $17. We have this, which I feel like when I was in California, yeah, used to tell me to get this brand all the time, but it's like the expensive brand. Well, for TJ Maxx and Marshalls, $20. It's for wrinkles, which I could probably use now. Verb. Why do I feel like this is a good brand? Like I've heard of this. This is heavy, y'all. This is a purple toning kit. Oh, it's for your hair then, right? $30. Yeah, this is for your hair. It's a purple shampoo, purple mask, and a ghost oil. Obagi, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm going to tell my mother. Because my mother buys that. I don't have Obagi money. My mother does, though. Oh, what's this? I just like this packaging here. Ooh, y'all, somebody done messed up and did not put this in there. This is supposed to definitely be in there. $30. I mean, it's $30. Is someone going to steal it? Probably, because that's why they keep everything else locked up. And just to let y'all know, I do love the Escada perfumes. The limited editions smell so good. We have this from Dr. Jart for $12.99. Facial calming mist. I do like Dr. Jart also. Okay, we have a water bank set here. This is going to be $24.99. Y'all, okay, so here and at Sam's Club, that's the price you're gonna pay is $60. At Sephora or Ulta, it's like $110. Just letting you know, because we talked about this before. Then we have the Burberry. We have the Daisy. I love it so much. We have that Gucci there. That small thing is $70. Jimmy Choo is $40. I like the Juicy Couture perfumes. I always thought they smelled really nice. Ariana Grande. Jimmy Choo. Ferragamo. We've got some Coach. The Coach is $40. A Versace set for $60. Yeah, I got the kids with me. It's not as easy, you know, when you have the kids with you. $40. This is on clearance. Oh, we saw this before. It was a set. It's like a 4 set. Okay, we're gonna check out the soaps. I actually need to get a new body wash because for some reason Tita always thinks that if you just put more water into the body wash, then it just replenishes. And so now I basically just have water. I generally buy my body wash here. I used to only do Bath and Body Works, but for the same price you can get like twice as much and it smells just as good. So we're gonna get some body wash. Let's smell these. Okay, so this one smells really citrusy. I'm not mad at it. It's $6. This one, I feel like it smells the best out of the 3 that I've smelled. $8 for this. And then I smelled this one, $8. This smells really nice, but I think we're gonna buy this one today. I'd like to smell these because I'm not buying something if I can't smell it first. Oh, it's a foaming body wash. These are $5 and they have different ones here. So we have this blue one. It's blueberry and niacinamide, acai and retinol. And then what is this one here? Mango and vitamin C. I wish I could smell these, because if I could smell them, then I might be more willing to try them out. Y'all, this is a really cheap alternative to like the mirror I have in my bathroom that like comes out of the wall on the little crane arm thing, and it has like the magnified side and the regular side. Here's a cheap alternative. It's $13. It has a light also like mine, but it's like fog resistant and everything. It's probably smaller and it doesn't have the crane arm, but it's only 13 bucks. Oh, look at this, $28. Y'all, $28. This is a pretty good size mirror for Vanity Impressions for $28. Not gonna lie to you. Oh, here it is. Oh wait, this one is 40. Oh, because it's a little bigger. This one is bigger. Okay, this one is 28. This one is 40. Okay, we have a Hello Kitty ring light for $40. You get the different things here and the remote. I don't know if it's worth $40 because it's Vanity Impressions, but it's here. Y'all, look at this. Y'all, I am not mad at it. Oh, it's plastic. It's like the cheapest plastic possible. Dang it. It's $25 though, so you can't really expect acrylic. I mean, does it serve the purpose? Probably so. We have this here, so it's gonna look like that. Can you see it? I wonder how much this is. Let me see. So it's not that wide, but it's $30. I mean, oh, it has a mirror attached to it too, I think. I'm not mad at this. 40 bucks seems a little high, but it's definitely a better quality than this. Oh, look at this. I mean, this is plastic. It's a cheap plastic, but it's a nice ornament. Oh my God. Okay, Mimian helped me. I don't see a price on this bad boy, but let's just assume that it's definitely overpriced. This is nice, $10 for this. Oh, so they have a whole little matching set. So we have like, it's like a pink clear thing. And then we also have this with the drawers. This is going to be, yeah, they're not putting prices on this. Oh, they are, $10. They are, I'm just not looking in the right spot. Oh, and we have this little thing here for jewelry. $6 for this. I wish they would put the sticker on here versus like on here, because that's annoying. Oh, and then we have some smaller ones like this one here, but we have some smaller ones here for $6. Y'all, we're about to leave and I just saw this. Now, is it worth the price? No, it's $35, but it's a Vanity Impressions Hello Kitty sponge holder. It would be really cute to put on your vanity. And then I was like, oh, look, we've got this here, which I missed totally. $12, and it's like a little fanny pack thing. It's cute. I'm not mad at it. And then I think I saw Michael Kors one. Yeah, you have it. This one's like a belt though, and this is $25. Yeah. Yeah, when I tell you that trying to film and having the kids with me is difficult, I mean, it is difficult, okay? Like, I try to give the kids each a chance because they want to be in the videos and they want to, like, you know, do all this stuff and they want to see themselves in the videos and they want to do all of it, right? But it's really hard for me because they want to touch stuff and do because they're kids. It's just, we're going to end it now. Okay, can you tell everybody bye?
Bye, guys.
We were very enthusiastic. I don't know what happened, but until the next one, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.